Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be painting. It's gonna be exciting. I woke up today with I was in a mood to paint. I literally woke up and started looking at Pinterest for the different things I could paint. And I settled on a water scene with a branch of cherry blossoms in front. So we're gonna do a version of that. So let's get started. I already have all my paints mixed, as you can see. I have so they're all ready to go, and I have my canvas right here. I couldn't find my main easel, so I had to use my miniature one, so it is very low. But I'll be lifting it up from time to time to show you. So we are gonna start with the lightest color, right there. I used a mixture of yellow, blue, and white for all of these, just in different ratios to get lighter colors and darker colors. So here we go. I haven't painted in forever. I think it's been about a year now, so if it's bad, I'm sorry. But if I make a masterpiece today, you're welcome. I'm just kidding. I kind of paint just things whenever something catches my eye. I've done my own ideas, I've done recreations. Just kind of depends on the day or what I'm feeling. And I just really like this idea, and I'll put a link in the description for the original because it is just so good. He has a YouTube channel, I believe. What's his name? His channel is Color By Feliks. So you should definitely check him out, and I'll put his YouTube channel in the description as well. Should I just become a paint channel? No. Okay, so this is what I'm literally just starting at the top corner with the lightest color, and I'm gonna work my way down to the bottom corner with the darkest. So hopefully in future paint videos I'll be able to figure out how to angle it so you can see both me and the painting. I guess I could put it there. Okay, yeah, that kind of works. Alright, so I'm starting the second color. Just long strokes down to the corner. Not the second color, the third, I'm sorry. And I kind of grab from the second and the third as I do this part, just so it blends nicely. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of work down again. Just making sure my brush stays wet. Just blending out those lines. We don't want any harsh lines in this. Okay, so I have it blended as well as I can at this time. I'm going to let it dry for a bit because my next step will involve putting detail in the water, so I need it to dry. If you don't want to wait, feel free to use a hair dryer. I am going to wait because I have some homework to do, so I'll see you in a sec. Okay, now I have it all blended and it's pretty dry. Once again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're going to make branches on top of it. But now that it is semi-dry, I'm going to start doing the waves. Oh my god, that's so much white. Okay, so for the waves, I'm just going to take some white, and I will just be and as I go down, it does not do perfect. Just random. As I go down, I'll get a little bit farther away, and I will make them more precise. And then I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do next, because I'm just going to fast forward through this whole thing. So after I've done the waves, I'll go underneath the dark blue and just highlight those lines I drew. So I just go right underneath the white, just highlighting the waves. And well, I guess not highlighting, low lighting them, I guess. Yeah, like that. And just kind of following that line. Best we can. Doesn't have to be perfect. So basically, that's what we're going for. You can see that kind of. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this all off camera, so I won't bore you too much. Now I have my waves, all my detail put on, and I'm going to begin to do the branch. So I'm going to take a black, just start over here, just let the line fade out to here. So starting out thick on the end and just thinning out as we go. You might need to go over it a couple times just to make sure you have a nice visible thick line, and then you'll drag it to different directions. I know you can't see that well. Let me just like that. I'm just going to go over the lines a couple times, so I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did the branches off camera because I didn't want to make this video super long. So those are my branches, and you can do yours any way you want. They don't have to look like mine. Each painting is its individual painting, so no worries. I'm going to let this dry and go pick up my sister and my brother, and then I will be back to do the cherry blossoms. Okay, so now I have my branches all dry and ready to go. I'm going to take my sponge, I have wet it and made sure to get all the water out, and I'm going to dip it in the white. Now I'm just gonna splotch it around, not everywhere, but just kind of on the branches at the end parts. Following the branches. This is the fun part. I mean, it's all fun, but this is my favorite part. Doesn't need to be too thick. We'll be putting a lot more colors on, so. Now I'll take the pink. I'm doing a nice light pink. Can't really see it, but it's right there. Just going over the white. Okay, so I have the first part, and now I'll begin adding more detail. Once again, gonna do that off camera. But basically, I will just be taking a small brush, if I can find one, like this, and I will just be making little circles to kind of make some of the dots a little bigger and just add more detail. And I'll be doing that in white, pink, and red again. So, we'll be back. Okay, and I have finished. Here is the finished product. Yeah, just so just a nice little cherry blossom scene in front of the water. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I might dab a bit more on the sides, but I actually really like it. I think it looks good. I think I'll leave it. So this is one of many painting videos I will be doing. I hope to do a lot more. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, wow. This was a process, but thank you so much for tuning in, and I will be sure to come back with more painting videos in the future, I think. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.